The law requires the driver and passengers to always wear a seatbelt while travelling. On the dash, there are stickers that remind you of the camper height and length. The camper is longer and higher than a standard car, so please be aware of the bigger dimensions and weight while driving. Make sure you are aware of the height of your camper and avoid any low clearing bridges and car parks. When you open the passenger side door, you will have access to refill your fuel tanks. Make sure you use the correct fuel. All our vehicles are diesel vehicles. There is an AdBlue filling on some of our campers. You won't need to fill this up, but if a light referring to the AdBlue appears on your dash, please call our on-the-road team for further advice. Let's take a closer look at the driver's cab. The headlight control is on the stalk to the left-hand side of the steering wheel. The windscreen wiper and indicator are on the right. To start the engine, insert the key into the ignition. Make sure your foot is on the brake. Turn the key slowly to the right until all dash lights appear. Wait until the glow light turns off. Turn the key further right and start the engine. If the vehicle doesn't start, turn the key back to the original position. Remove the key from the ignition. Check the gear is in park or neutral. And with your foot on the brake, start the vehicle again. If the vehicle still doesn't start, it may have a flat battery. Contact the on-the-road team for further help. To engage the handbrake, lift the handle upwards and listen for a wrenching sound. The handbrake light will appear on the dash. To release the handbrake, lift gently upwards and depress the button at the same time, pushing it back down towards the floor. Make sure the handbrake light is off on the dash. This camper is fitted with a reversing camera, which will show on the screen when in reverse. Always have someone to guide you when reversing or parking. This camper is fitted with a standard media system. In some campers, you can connect your smartphone via Bluetooth and access phone calls and music. There are USB ports located below on the main dashboard.